He's a real VWAP man, trading with his VWAP plan, making all his VWAP trades for prop money. Not a fan of its doesn't watch much TV. Isn't he a bit like you and me? VWAP man. You and me, VWAP man. Please listen, you don't know what you're missing. VWAP man trades all over the world with his man plan. La 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 la. He's a real VWAP man. VWAP man. He's a real VWAP man. VWAP man. Isn't he a bit like you and me? La 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 la. He's a real VWAP man, sitting in his nowhere land, making all his VWAP trades for more money. Making all his VWAP trades for more money. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. Making all his VWAP trades for more money. Making all his VWAP trades for more money. He's a real VWAP man, sitting in his nowhere land, making all his VWAP trades for more money, making all his VWAP trades for more money. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man, making all his VWAP trades for more money, making all his VWAP trades for more money, making all his VWAP trades for more money. He's a real VWAP man, trading with his VWAP plan, making all his VWAP trades for prop money.
Sorry about that, Wayne. Hey, wrong trade, Jim. What's going on? You were short, I was long. I was just saying we should do what Dave and I normally do. Go in opposite directions and both make money. I got my take profit locked in at 40 bucks right now. My entry was at 748. Trading real small size today. I'm not risking a whole hell of a lot of anything today. I heard a bleep bloop. I think Dave might be here. Yeah, I'm not going to fight this trend today. Seems to be a lot of strong upward movement. So I'll wait for more pullbacks, add into this. So far, up a couple $100 per account, so that's great for a Friday. And I just added one micro to this.
He's a real VWAP man, trading with his VWAP plan, making all his VWAP trades for prop money. Not a fan of its doesn't watch much TV.
I'm adding one more. I'm in with a total of 5 micros now. So let's not pull back on me here. So today I am trading 20 accounts at a time. Doing a little bit of risk sinking here. Spread out my Lucid accounts across different strategies. Same thing with Apex, Top 1 Futures, and Take Profit. So I moved them around a little bit today just to spread each prop firm around. And I'm not taking more than, I'm not taking trades on multiple strategies at a time because I don't want to accidentally go long on one and short in another and lose all of my accounts. How's the volume today? I'm out on the road. Well, it's a little bit loud, but not horrible.
Making all his VWAP trades for more money. Making all his VWAP trades for more money. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. Making all his VWAP trades for more money. Making all his VWAP trades.
This is the pullback. I didn't want it to come down quite this far, but I'll still stay in it.
He's a real VWAP man, trading with his VWAP plan, making all his VWAP trades for crop money. Not a fan of its doesn't watch much TV. Isn't he a bit like you and me? VWAP man, please listen. All these trades you're killing. VWAP man, the world is at your command. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. Isn't he a bit like you and me? La 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 la. He can see the book map app and give his map a tap. VWAP man, why do I trade like crap? VWAP man, don't worry, take your time to make the money. Keep it all till somebody else sticks out their hand. Doesn't use just trading view, knows not where he's going to.
Right. So far on these Lucid accounts, I'm up 280.
Please listen, you don't know what you're missing. VWAP man trades all over the world with his man plan. La 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 la. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. Isn't he a bit like you and me?
All right, I closed it out on this little pullback and got $208 out of that. I'm gonna take that and call it a good day. It's still above the 9 EMA, but the way it's stalling out up there, I don't really want to fart around with it and have it just drop like NQ sometimes does. Showing a little bit of resistance in the 790s. We had a double top on the 5 minutes at 797 and almost a double top at 750. I'm sorry, 784. And this is the current candle and the previous 5 minute. I did blow a Lucid account today, so I'm going to disclose that right now. Had too much size in it. Wasn't, I zigged when I should have zagged. That's basically what happened there. See what oil is doing real quick. Oh, look at that, going up. Ain't that a shocker? What kind of weirdness is in the news today? So it's looking like ES, NQ, and YM are in a really good, strong uptrend. I think RTY, let's check before I say anything. Yeah, RTY is in a downtrend. Regular trading hours, it's been sinking. MES still looking strong. MQ is still looking strong. All right. So the only thing I can do now is wait for a pullback and go in long. I'm not going to try and go with a triple break. The chances of that happening, not very likely.
Sitting in his nowhere land, making all his VWAP trades for more money. Making all his VWAP trades for more money. He's a real VWAP man. He's a real VWAP man.
Nick, nice long from VWAP after lower day hit. Thank you, sir. You and both gold drop caught me off guard. Yeah, I don't trade gold on any prop firms. There's not enough drawdown in them to to trade gold effectively. And also you have to close your positions end of day, which for gold trades for me, that's just not a great way to go. So I'm up 187 in my Top Step brokerage account. I believe I'm down in the prop firm account. Oh no, I'm flat. I haven't taken a trade on that one yet. This is what happens when you trade too many accounts at the same time. And by too many, I mean not really enough yet. So I heard Dave bleep bloop in the into the stream, but I still don't see him. He's probably taking care of his dog right now. Or inserting his Market Butcher branded VWAP catheter, so that way he doesn't have to get up 12 times during the stream. Corrective wave down now after impulse up wave, 3 minutes on MNQ. Let's look at the 3-minute chart. Yeah, MNQ, I'm still going to be looking for longs off of VWAP. I want to see how it reacts to it, get a clear direction. Telling the pre-market stream this morning. Yesterday I had a coate walk up to me when I was sitting on the steps down here. It came up and put its paws up on my knee. You've never seen a coate? They look like a raccoon shagged an anteater, and their baby then had a baby with a badger. Sounds horrifying, but they're actually really cute. All right, look at this. Rejection off of VWAP, or a bounce off of VWAP. See what the 5-minute closure looks like. I'm gonna look at Bookmap too. All right, on Bookmap, we got buy orders down at 660, 665. We got 104 orders sitting above the current price, 29,800. We got 234 at 30,000. Putting a single micro long in right now. Just one micro. Oh, it says 22. I don't know what the hell. Got my stop loss down at 636. Like I said, I'm not risking a whole hell of a lot today. I'm not in the mood to lose money. Capital Preservation Friday.
He's a real VWAP man, trading with his VWAP plan, making all his VWAP trades for prop money, not a fan of its doesn't watch much TV,
You and me both, Wayne. I hope they are dip buying dogs. And I hope there's a lot of them. Go over to my cash account here. There. No, I'm a dip buying dog. Five micros in long. All right. This is looking. This is a 50-50 shot here. Currently down about 55 bucks in this. On the cash account, I'm down 29 in the prop.
He's a real VWAP man, sitting in his nowhere land, making all his VWAP trades for more money, making all his VWAP trades for more money. He's a real VWAP man.
Now, anyone in the chat, should I add into this? It's about to hit VWAP again.
He's a real VWAP man, trading with his VWAP plan, making all his VWAP trades for prop money. Not a fan.
Bookmap has got orders down at 660 right now. Oh, there we go. Price is starting to try and push back up again off of VWAP. I'm about to get stopped out on the props. I'm out of the props. Are we going to have a triple break today? Kind of looking like it. Pretty strong push down through VWAP. I closed that in my cash account. Took a $175 loss there. Oh no, I'm sorry, $275 loss.
He's a real VWAP man, sitting in his nowhere land, making all his VWAP trades for more money, making all his VWAP trades for more money. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man, making all his VWAP trades.
I don't want to be a bias flipper or anything, but damn.
He's a real VWAP man, trading with his VWAP plan, making all his VWAP trades for prop money.
Hey, Ryan. Yeah, I missed the open this morning too, so. Wrong trade, Jim. I say no. All right. 50% retrace area. You know, I always forget about looking at the 50% retracement. I want to take a trade, but I gotta let this price action shake out a little bit. So I'm gonna go grab myself another cup of coffee. Wayne, flat break even on a long. So I'm thinking about taking one of teammate Alex's classes, just signing up for his mentorship for a little bit and see what the hell it is that he's doing. Now I know if you pay attention to Alex, there's he's been having some issues in August. But that being said, everyone has had issues this August. Actually, every August, but this one has been exceptionally hard. Not making excuses. I'm just saying, it has been a lot harder than May, June, and July. Easy. August, the entire month has been nothing but stress. Holy shit, we're gonna get a triple break here. Wow. First break, second break.
He's a real VWAP man, trading with his VWAP plan, making all his VWAP trades for prop money. Not a fan of its doesn't watch much TV. Isn't he a bit like you and me? VWAP man, please listen.
All of his trades are taken on data. He's using 80% setups and a lot of edge full data. He also he uses VWAP, some Wyckoff principles, volume absorption, you know, the accumulation and distribution, stuff like that, which I trade VWAP, so I know precisely not much about that stuff. Sometimes, Wayne, when you start going on about things, I get this image in my head of Homer Simpson doing a Russian dance going da, da, da. I never claimed to be that smart, so.
He's a real VWAP man. sitting in his nowhere land, making all his VWAP trades for more money, making all his VWAP trades for more money. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. Making all his VWAP trades for more money, making all his VWAP trades for more money, making all his VWAP trades for more money. He's a real VWAP man, trading with his VWAP plan, making all his VWAP trades for pop money. Not a fan.
This session's kind of wild.
Doesn't watch much TV. Isn't he a bit like you and me? VWAP man, please listen. All these trades you're killing. VWAP man, the world is at your command. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP.
I just locked in $100 on a 3 micro short on 5 Lucid accounts. Currently up 270. Okay, I'm gonna lock in another 50 bucks. Up 300 now. At 280, close enough.
Keep it all till somebody else sticks out their hand. Doesn't use just trading view. Knows not where he's going to. Isn't he a bit like you and me? VWAP man,
Alright, locked in 175.
what you missing? VWAP man, trades all over the world with his man pad. La 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 la. He's a real VWAP man.
Yeah, volume is it's in the top 5. Old school. Well, you know, we are kind of old. I suppose I should just speak for myself, not for you, Wayne. I know you went to college with Wyckoff, so which makes you a vampire. All right, I'm closing this short.
Making all his VWAP trades
210 bucks.
for money.
All right, that's locking out my Lucid accounts now
He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. Making all
until the end of trading day.
making all his VWAP trades for more money. Making all his VWAP trades for more money.
And all right, Lucids are all locked out now. Close that, and I'm going to pull up.
He's a real VWAP man,
What are we trading now?
trading with his VWAP plan, making all his VWAP trades for pop money. Not a fan. All it's
Say about. What do we think about Tradeify?
doesn't watch much.
Get these all copied in here.
Isn't he a bit like you and me? VWAP man.
Now I am starting off in. I'm down $144 in all 5 of these accounts. So oh, this is weird. My P&L across my accounts is ridiculous. I'm up in one basket by $653. I'm down in one by $144, and that's 5 accounts for both of those. I'm down in another one $55 and up in another one $275. And so this is telling me that my trading is a little bit sporadic, and I am going to be doing nothing but one micro at a time here. And I'm going to tighten up my stop losses.
He's a real VWAP man, sitting in his nowhere land, making all his VWAP trades for more money.
Down at the -2 deviation band right now. I was tempted to go in long off that deviation band until I opened up the book map. There are 252 orders underneath us at 500, and some giant selling balls just came on.
He's a real VWAP man, trading with his VWAP plan, making all his VWAP trades for prop money, not a fan of its. Doesn't watch much TV, isn't he a bit like you and me? VWAP man, please listen, all these trades you're killing. VWAP man, the world is at your command. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. Isn't he a bit like you and me? La 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 la. He can see the book map and give his map a tap.
If you're looking at Bollinger Bands at all, these things were opened up like a whale's mouth.
Don't worry, take your time.
Started opening up around 9:30. Right at they started opening up right at the open at 9:30.
Sticks out the hand. Doesn't use just trading view. Knows not where he's
Wow.
going to. Isn't he a bit like you and me? VWAP man, please listen. You don't know what you're missing. VWAP man, trades all over the world with his man pad.
Alright, here's my single micro long.
He's a real VWAP man, sitting in his nowhere land, making all his VWAP trades for more money, making all his VWAP trades for more money. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man, making all his VWAP trades for more money, making all his VWAP.
Did like that supported 540 level, or in the 540s, being at this -2 deviation band. I am expecting it to come back up, but I'm ready to cut this pretty quickly.
He's a real VWAP man, trading with his
I am going to put my stop loss in. I also added 1 micro to that. I know you guys can't see my trades on this chart, I don't think, but let's see if I can pull them up. Alright, I'm up about 40 bucks after costs and commissions.
He's a real VWAP man, sitting in his nowhere land, making all his VWAP trades.
All right, 2 micros. I'm up just about 100 bucks.
Making all his VWAP trades for more money.
Yeah, first target's -1 level, the -1 deviation. Next target's VWAP. So we got the -1 deviation slightly above the overnight VWAP.
He's a real VWAP man, trading with his VWAP plan, making all his VWAP trades for cop
So yeah, -1 deviation is going to be 588. VWAP's 656. Way this price has been moving, I may end up just putting my negative or my +1 deviation for a take profit on 2 micros. 723. What the hell? See what this does. The 5-minute chart, the 9 EMA is down below VWAP and also below the 21. So it's the EMAs are showing shorts, everything else is showing long. We'll lock in a little bit of profit here. Lock in 70 bucks. I'm liking this price.
He's a real VWAP man, sitting in his nowhere land.
See if it pushes through the. Oh, no.
Making all his VWAP trades for more money. He's a real
Wayne, absolutely not. You can post anything you want to in here. I actually really appreciate your input. So keep it up. And it helps me out, it helps everybody else watching out, and frankly, I learned something. So that's a bonus for me.
He's a real VWAP man, trading with his VWAP plan.
Now let's place a couple of side wagers here. Is this going to push up past this -1 deviation and head back up to VWAP, or is it going to get rejected here and push back down to the -2?
Doesn't watch much TV, isn't he a bit like you and me? VWAP man, please listen, all these trades you're killing. VWAP man, the world is at your command. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. Isn't he a bit like you and me? He can see the booklet path and give his map a tap.
I think it's going back up to VWAP.
Why do I trade like crap? VWAP man. Don't worry, take your time to make the money. Keep it all till somebody else sticks out their hand. Doesn't use just trading view. Knows not where he's going to.
Feel strongly enough about that to add another 2 micros to this.
Please listen,
Now whether or not I'm going to get stopped out,
what you're missing. VWAP man trades all over the world with his man pad. He's a real VWAP man. VWAP man. He's a real VWAP man. VWAP man. Isn't he a bit like you and me? He's a real VWAP man, sitting in his nowhere land, making all his VWAP trades for more money. Making all his VWAP trades for more money. He's a real VWAP.
oh, it's making a liar out of me.
He's a real VWAP man, making all his VWAP trades for more money. Making all his VWAP trades for more money. Making all his VWAP trades for more money.
Okay, one old dip buyer to another. Yeah. Old habits die hard, right? Is that how that saying goes? Czar, I want lower? What?
He's a real VWAP man.
Rude.
With his VWAP plan.
You need closes above 9 EMA for an up move.
Of its
Oh, my other 2 didn't go into. Which count is this?
doesn't watch much TV. Isn't he a bit like you and me?
So in one of my accounts, okay, so these are all Tradeify accounts, and I just switched between 2 of them. So in one of them,
The world is at your command.
I am down $70, and the other one I am up 14, 13, 5, 3, -1, 25, 13. Yeah, so the one Tradeify account is a 25K. Can't put more than 2 micros? Really?
Why do I trade like crap?
Oh, I have it set in Trader's Post. I can't add more than 2 micros to that account.
Doesn't use just trading view. Knows not where he's going to. Isn't he a bit like you and me? VWAP man, please listen. You don't know what you're missing. VWAP man trades all over the world with his man pad. La 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 la. He's a real VWAP man. VWAP man. He's a real VWAP man. VWAP man. Isn't he a bit like you and me? La 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 la. He's a real VWAP man, sitting in his nowhere land, making all his VWAP trades for more money, making all his VWAP trades for more money. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man, making all his VWAP trades for more money, making all his VWAP trades for more money, making all his VWAP trades for more money.
Yeah, this is a good lesson for me. Take your profits when you should. That -1 deviation band was my original thought. Wayne even brought it up. I didn't listen to him or myself, and now I'm down 211.
Doesn't watch much TV. Isn't he a bit like you and me? VWAP man,
And I'm out.
please listen. All these trades you're killing. VWAP man, the world is at your command. He's a real VWAP man. VWAP man. He's a real VWAP man. VWAP man. Isn't he a bit like you and me? La 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 la. He can see the booklet map and give his map a tap. VWAP man. Why do I trade like crap? VWAP man. Don't worry, take your time to make tomorrow.
Some just want the world to burn. Yeah, that's Czar.
It all to somebody else.
And there you go.
Sticks out the hand. Doesn't use just trading view. Knows not where he's going to. Isn't he a bit like you and me? VWAP man, please listen. You don't know what you're missing. VWAP man trades all over the world with his man pad. La 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 la. He's a real VWAP man. VWAP man. He's a real VWAP man. VWAP man. Isn't he a bit like you and me? La 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 la. He's a real VWAP man, sitting in his nowhere land, making all his VWAP trades for more money, making all his VWAP trades for more money. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man, making all his VWAP trades for more money, making all his VWAP trades for more money, making all his VWAP trades for more money.
I don't think right now is the time for me to be trading. All right, I'm taking a break. I'll be back.
He's a real VWAP man, sitting in his nowhere land, making all his VWAP trades for more money, making all his VWAP trades for more money. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man, making all his VWAP trades for more money, making all his VWAP trades for more money, making all his VWAP trades for more money. He's a real VWAP man, trading with his VWAP plan, making all his VWAP trades for prop money. Not a fan of its doesn't watch much TV. Isn't he a bit like you and me? VWAP man, please listen. All these trades you're killing. VWAP man, the world is at your command. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. Isn't he a bit like you and me? La 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 la. He can see the book map app and give his map pad a tap. VWAP man, why do I trade like crap? VWAP man, don't worry, take your time to make the money. Keep it all till somebody else sticks out their hand. Doesn't use just trading view, knows not where he's going to. Isn't he a bit like you and me? VWAP man, please listen. You don't know what you're missing. VWAP man, trades all over the world with his man bag. La 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 la. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. Isn't he a bit like you and me? La 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 la. He's a real VWAP man, sitting in his nowhere land, making all his VWAP trades for more money, making all his VWAP trades for more money. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man, making all his VWAP trades for more money, making all his VWAP trades for more money, making all his VWAP trades for more money. He's a real VWAP man, sitting in his nowhere land, making all his VWAP trades for more money, making all his VWAP trades for more money.
Everything is currently risk off. -3 deviation. Mick Riker bought a put on NASDAQ expiring Monday. I like the trade options because you automatically have limited loss. That is true. FN Trades, what's up, man? Is this the vertical stream? There should be a vertical and a horizontal. Czar, have a good one. Or at least try to.
He's a real VWAP man, trading with his VWAP plan, making all his VWAP trades for prop money. Not a fan of its. Doesn't watch much TV. Isn't he a bit like you and me? VWAP man, please listen. All these trades you're killing. VWAP man, the world is at your command. He's a real VWAP man. VWAP man. He's a real VWAP man. VWAP man. Isn't he a bit like you and me? La 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 la. He can see the booklet map and give his map a tap. VWAP man. Why do I trade like crap? VWAP man. Don't worry, take your time to make the money. Keep it all till somebody else sticks out their hand. Doesn't use just trading view. Knows not where he's going to. Isn't he a bit like you and me? VWAP man, please listen. You don't
All right. Well,
what you're missing. VWAP man, trades all over the world.
looking at this negative deviation band, just took a tiny little long on a prop account, the top step X prop account. It's up 42 bucks. Okay, 28.
He's a real VWAP man, sitting in his nowhere land, making all his VWAP trades for more money, making all
Down
his
15.
VWAP trades for more money. He's a real
Up 12.
making all his VWAP trades for more money, making all his VWAP trades for more money, making all his VWAP trades for more money. He's a real VWAP man, trading with his VWAP plan, making all his VWAP trades for prop money.
Locking in $34 here. I'm up 80 right now. 103, 111. Got my finger on the flatten button. Oh, that put in 3 micros, not 1. That's because this is automatically set to 3 micros. So always check your top step accounts if you're trading them on their platform. The depth of market and the order tab is, for some reason, just stays set at 3. All right, I made 37 whole dial hairs on that one.
Why do I trade like crap? like you and me. VWAP man, please listen. You don't know.
All right, everybody. I don't think Dave's is showing up.
Trades all over the world
Hey, Trina Banana.
with his
SF all day. Yeah, it's pretty today.
He's a real VWAP man. VWAP man. Isn't he a bit like you and me? La 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 la. He's a real VWAP man.
Is this price going to drop again?
Sitting in his nowhere land, making all his VWAP trades for more money.
Look at that.
Making all his VWAP trades for more money. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. Making all his VWAP trades for more money. Making all his VWAP trades.
NQ still has most of the bright red under it on the book map. 134 orders at 450.
He's a real VWAP man, trading with his VWAP plan, making all his VWAP trades for prop money. Not a fan of its doesn't watch much TV. Isn't he a bit like you and me? VWAP man. Please listen, all these trades you're killing. VWAP man, the world is at your command.
No closes above the 9 EMA on the 3-minute.
Real VWAP man, VWAP man. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. Isn't he a bit like you and me? La 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 la. He can see the book map app and give his map a tap. VWAP man, why do I trade like
Now it keeps hitting that 9 EMA and bouncing off it.
don't worry, take your time.
The 12:33 minute candle was the only one that came up with and closed with any strength, but it just got rejected off that 9 EMA anyway.
Doesn't use just trading view, knows not where he's going to. Isn't he a bit like you and me? VWAP man, please listen. You don't know what you're missing. VWAP man, trades all over the world with his man pad. La 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 la. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. Isn't he a bit like you and me? La 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 la. He's a real VWAP man, sitting in his nowhere land, making all his VWAP trades for more money. Making all his VWAP trades for more money. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. Making all his VWAP trades for more money. Making all his VWAP trades for more money. Making all his VWAP trades for more money.
Looking at the 5-minute EMA, it's coming up to the 9 right now.
He's a real VWAP man.
See if it gets rejected off of it.
Making all his VWAP
And
trades
it seems to be.
not a fan of its
Freaking mosquitoes.
isn't he a bit
I'm gonna end up with malaria here.
VWAP man, please listen. All these trades, you're killing. VWAP man, the world is at your command. He's a real VWAP man. VWAP man, he's a real VWAP man. VWAP man, isn't he a bit like you and me?
I took a short at the 9 EMA. Got 8 micros in. So far up to 50. It's just bouncing around between 250 and 280 right now. Above 300. I'm gonna lock in 125. All right, I took 175 on that. Close these out. Yeah, the 9 EMA is flattening out a little bit. Thank you, Wayne. Yeah, there's a little bit of news, but nothing restrictive.
He's a real VWAP man, sitting in his nowhere land, making all his VWAP trades for more money.
My P&L is all over the place on these accounts.
Making all his VWAP trades for more money. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. He's a real VWAP man, VWAP man. Making all his VWAP trades for more money. Making all his VWAP trades for more money. Making all his VWAP trades for more money. He's a real VWAP man, trading with his VWAP plan, making all his VWAP trades for crap money. Not a fan of its My iguana don't care. He don't really care what stocks you trade or how much Bitcoin you have. My iguana don't care. It just on the branch, cool as a board in a Sunday sunbath. My iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. If you got a check or a pussy down there, my iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. He blinks slow at you like he ain't really there. My iguana don't care. No need for a flex. No need for a pose. No need for a check. If you got the wrong time.
I just took another 60 bucks on that.
In your hair, he give one long stare, then he goes somewhere. My iguana don't care. My iguana
Anybody in the trade? Anybody have any ideas?
My iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. He blinks slow at you like he ain't really there. If you lay down there or sit on the chair, he keep on a chill with that lizardy flair. No fight, no fuss, no hurry, no fear. Just my iguana don't care. When the day run clear, my iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. If you got a cat or a pussy down there, my iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. He blinks slow at you like he ain't really there. My iguana don't care. He don't really care what stocks you trade or how much Bitcoin you have. My iguana don't care. It just on the branch, cool as a board in a Sunday sunbath. My iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. If you got a keck or a pussy down there, my
Here's that move up.
iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. He blinks slow at you like he
SF all day.
ain't really there.
I know that feeling. Sorry about the close up on my ear.
My iguana don't care. No need for a flex. No need for a pose. No need for a check. If you got the wrong time of part in your hair, he give one long stare, then he goes somewhere. My iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. If you got a cat or a pussy down there, my iguana don't care. My
I talk about insane grandmothers.
he blinks slow at you like he ain't really there. If you
We can compare notes sometime.
or sit on the chair, he keep on a chill with that lizardy flair. No fight, no fuss, no hurry, no fear. Just my iguana don't care. When the day run clear, my iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. If you got a cat or a pussy down there, my iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. He blinks slow at you like he ain't really there. My iguana don't care. He don't really care what stocks you trade or how much Bitcoin you have. My iguana don't care. It just on the branch, cool as a board in a Sunday sunbath. My iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. If you got a check or a pussy down there. My iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. He blinks slow at you like he ain't really there. My iguana don't care. No need for a flex. No need for a pose. No
It's time to
need
relax a
for
little.
check. If you got the wrong time, a part in your hair, he give one long stare, then he goes somewhere. My iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. If you got a cat or a pussy down there. My iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. He blinks slow at you like he ain't really there. If you lay down there or sit on the chair, he keep on a chill.
Got an iguana climbing up on the roof again. I don't know what's up there that they love so much.
No hurry, no fear. Just my iguana don't care. When the day run clear, my iguana don't care.
We did make Butcher do 200 push-ups last night.
If you
Yeah, it's nothing.
or a pussy down there, my iguana,
I'm sure he's fine.
my iguana
Oh, he was saying he hasn't been working out as much as he used to, so he might not be able to lift his arms to hit the enter the stream button. All right, are we gonna get a push up here on MNQ? Kind of thinking we are.
My iguana don't care. He don't really care what stocks you trade or how much Bitcoin you have. My iguana don't care. It just on the branch. Cool
And I did
as
just
a
put in a long on MNQ.
My iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. If you got a check or a pussy down there. My iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. He blinks slow at you like he ain't really there.
All right, I made 50 bucks. I'll take it.
My iguana don't care. No need for a flex. No need for a pose. No need for a check. If you got the wrong time, a part in your hair, he give one long stare, then he goes somewhere. My iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. If you got a cat or a pussy down there. My iguana don't care. My iguana
All right, I got one test account right now. I just put in on a single eval, a 5 micro long. Locked in 20 bucks. Yeah, I took 20 bucks on that. So after costs and commissions, 14 something. So it's looking like it's rejecting off that -1 deviation band and pushing down yet again. All of the orders at 550 came off. There's still 107 at the 700 level. Mustang, when's the last time you tilted badly? Well, that depends. If you consider just saying, screw it, I'm going to use this one eval and see if I can pass it in a day on the cheapo Apex account, doing it right now. I got 5 micros in a long right now on an Apex account, which I know isn't really a great idea, but this is a brand new account. I'm up 450 bucks in it, taking a trade that can go either way. It's a little bit of a gamble. So right now, it's a little bit of a tilty moment. The last time I did it badly was months and months ago. And I blew like 4 accounts all at the same time.
No need for a flex, no need for a pose, no need for a check. If you got the wrong time, a part in your hair, he give one long stare, then he goes somewhere. My iguana don't care, my iguana don't care.
So I did just add another 5 into this losing trade. And it is now a winning trade. Not by much. Just a couple bucks.
Or sit on the chair. He keep on a chill with that lizardy flair. No fight, no fuss. No hurry, no fear. Just my iguana don't care. When the day run clear, my iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. If you got a cat or a pussy,
SF all day. If you could only use 2 to 3 indicators, which ones would you use? I don't like using 3 indicators. I like VWAP and volume. I have other indicators that I pull up occasionally, but I don't like keeping them on the chart. I'll throw them up if I want just reinforcement for an idea that I have, something like that. But okay, I'm putting my stop loss at break even on this. I just put in 20 micros, up 400 bucks. All right, made 173.
my iguana don't care. He don't really care what stocks you trade or how much Bitcoin you have. My iguana don't care. It just on the branch, cool as a board in a a Sunday sunbath. My iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. If you got a cat or a pussy down there. My iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. He blinks slow at you like he ain't really there.
So I am just micro scalping NQ right now.
My iguana don't care.
And like I said, this is on an Apex account. So yeah, those 2 to 3 indicators, I'm going to say that would be VWAP and volume profile, and that's about it. I don't have any desire to go outside of that. All right, I lost $70 on that.
Sit on the chair, he keep on a chill with that lizardy flair. No fight, no fuss, no hurry, no fear.
So here we hit that second deviation again, or standard -2 deviation band. So I'm putting in another. Yep, okay, I want to. So put in another 5 micro long. Looking for a bounce off that deviation band back up to the top of the previous candle. Look like it's stalling out a little bit right here. Again, I'll close this pretty damn quickly if it starts pushing down.
My iguana don't care. He don't really care.
All right, I close that out.
Or how much Bitcoin you have. My iguana don't care. It just on the branch. Cool as a board in a Sunday sunbath. My iguana don't care. My iguana don't care.
Still learning, need to look into volume. I currently look at FVG mostly. Are the bands VWAP? Yes, the bands are sigma equations off of VWAP. So I'm in another long here on MNQ. My entry was 456. I got 10 micros in here. Got $80 locked in. Just added 5 to it.
No need for a flex. No need for a pose. No need for a check. If you got the wrong time, a part in your hair, he give one long stare, then he goes somewhere. My iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. If you
I'm taking my $215. For this to pull back slightly. And there's another one.
sit on the chair. He keep on a chill with that lizardy flair. No fight, no fuss, no hurry, no fear. Just my iguana don't care. When the day run clear, my iguana don't care.
Alright, I just added another 10 in. Oh shit. Took my 400 bucks. See if I can pass this one account today. It's one of those Apex evals. It's just a 50K with no activation fee. And I'm in another long here.
My iguana don't care. He don't really care.
10 micros.
Or how much Bitcoin you have. My iguana don't care. It just on the branch. Cool as a board in a Sunday sunbath. My iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. If you got a keck or a pussy down there. My iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. He blinks slow at you like he ain't really there. My iguana
Just added another 10 to it.
no need for a flex. No need for a pose. No need for a check.
This is gonna go against me. Nah. Value area lows at 7,724. You're looking at ES.
My iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. If you got a cat or a pussy down there. My iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. He blinks slow at you like he ain't really there. If you lay down there or sit on the chair, he keep on a chill with that lizardy flair. No fight, no fuss, no hurry, no fear. Just my iguana don't care. When the day run clear, my iguana don't care. My iguana don't care.
I'll leave this in here. Got a stop loss down at 442.
My iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. He blinks slow at you like he ain't really.
Moved it up to break even plus 5 points. And I'm up 450 in this trade so far. So I'm going to lock in 100. Give this a bit of room to breathe. There's currently 20 micros on this, so
My iguana don't care. He don't really care what stocks you trade or how much Bitcoin you have. My iguana don't care. It just on the branch, cool as a board in a Sunday sunbath. My iguana don't care. My
Just took 250 out of that. Nope, 220. I think that was slippage. Had it locked in at 250, or I had it locked in at 250, and I made 220.88 on it.
My iguana don't care. No need for a flex. No need for a pose. No need for a check. If you got the wrong time, a part in your hair, he give one long stare, then he goes somewhere. My iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. If you got a cat or a pussy down there, my iguana
Let's put in another long.
sit on the chair, he keep on a chill.
Yeah, we need an up bar right now. You ain't a liar.
No fight, no fuss, no hurry, no fear. Just my iguana don't care. When the day run clear, my iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. If you got a cat or a pussy down there, my iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. He blinks slow at you like he ain't.
And out. All right. Took 350 on that one. So this is my first day trading this cheapo Apex account, and I am a little over halfway to passing it.
My iguana
Another 5 micro long.
he don't really care what stocks you trade or how much Bitcoin you have.
Another $100
My
bucks.
iguana don't care. It just on the branch, cool as a board in a Sunday sunbath. My iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. If you got a cat or a pussy down there, my iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. He blinks slow at you like he ain't really there. My iguana don't care. No need for a flex. No need for a pose. No need for a check. If you got the wrong time, a part in your hair, he give one long stare, then he goes somewhere. My iguana don't care.
Put a limit order at the bottom of this candle wick here.
If you got a cat or a pussy down there, my
For a long.
iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. He blinks slow at you like he
I've got 5 in here already.
If you lay down there or sit on the chair, he keep on a chill.
Yeah, this is gonna start moving up.
Lizardy flare. No fight, no fuss. No hurry, no fear. Just my iguana don't care.
Yeah, Wayne and anyone else watching this, this is not how I normally trade. This is me just trying to blow through an eval really quickly.
Or a pussy down there.
All right, it did not pick up my 10 micro order. So I'm just going to let this 5 micros go for a little bit. Wayne flattened out his long for a small win.
What stocks you trade or how much Bitcoin you have? My iguana don't care. It just on the branch. Cool as a board in a Sunday sunbath. My iguana
Take a look at the book map here. Their orders up at 29,500.
My iguana don't care. No need for a flex. No need for a pose. No need for a check. If you got the wrong time, a part in your hair, he give one long stare, then he goes somewhere. My iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. If you got a cat or a
Shark froze.
pussy down there, my iguana don't care. My iguana don't care.
Is that better?
Think slow at you like he ain't really there. If you lay down there or sit on the chair, he keep on a chill with that lizardy flair. No fight, no fuss, no hurry, no fear. Just my iguana don't care. When the day run clear, my iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. If you got a cat or a pussy down there, my iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. He blinks slow at you like he ain't really there.
Oh, that was perfect. Another 250 bucks on that.
My iguana don't care. He don't really care what stocks you trade or how much Bitcoin you have. My iguana don't care. It just on the branch. Cool as a board.
All right, I'm up 1,900 on this account now.
My iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. If you got a
So now I'm sizing down a little bit.
pussy down there, my iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. He blinks slow at you like he ain't really there.
At 3 micros and long as at 29,480.75. Underwater on it right now.
No need for a pose, no need for a check. If you got the wrong time, a part in your hair, he give one long stare, then he goes somewhere. My iguana don't care, my iguana don't care. If you got a cat or a pussy down there, my iguana don't care, my iguana don't care.
Hey, Mr. Stewart, how you doing today?
He ain't really there. If you lay down there or sit on the chair, he keep on a chill with that lizardy flair. No fight, no fuss, no hurry, no fear. Just my iguana don't care. When the day run clear, my iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. If you got a cat or a pussy down there, my iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. He blinks slow at you like he ain't really there.
Coming right back down.
My iguana don't care. He don't really care. What stocks you trade? or
Some
how
big
much coin you
volume balls coming up on Bookmap here.
don't care.
Still orders down at the 400 level.
Cool as a bowl
Got
on a
53 at
Sunday
450.
summer. My iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. If you got a check or a pussy down there, my iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. He blinks slow at you like he ain't really there. My iguana don't care. No need for a flex. No need for a pose. No need for a check. If you got the wrong time, a part in your hair, he give one long stare, then he goes somewhere. My iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. If you got a cat or a pussy down there, my iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. He blinks slow at you like he ain't really there. If you lay down there or sit on the chair,
Not a problem, Wayne.
on a chill
Thank you for all your input.
with that lizardy flair. No fight, no fuss, no hurry, no fear. Just my iguana don't care. When
I actually have nothing going on today, so
iguana don't care, my iguana
other than trying to pass this Apex eval.
got a cat or a pussy down there. My iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. He blinks slow at you like he ain't really there.
Alright, close out of that one. Not too bad. Mr. Stewart, you liked me? Wait, past tense? What the hell? Well, I still like you. Your sky looks so good. That was a hint. Oh, for me to stop being a jerk all the time? Yeah. No, so Mr. Stewart pointed something out. If you are on either the Mustang Trader or the Market Butcher site on YouTube, hit a like button. In fact, you should pull up both of them and hit the like buttons. Dave needs some loving too. And frankly, so do I. My channel is, I think I might have 200 subscribers. And considering I'm sitting here at 11:30 in the morning, still trading with you guys when I'm normally done by 9. So the least you could do is show me a little love. Alright, so we did create a lower low and a lower high on the 1 minute. Pull up the 5 here real quick. Not on the 5. We do have a... Never mind, we don't. Sorry, I'm going to shut up now. And that's why you don't like this channel. Alright, so, somebody likes the view. And I'm going to go grab some coffee. So, there you go.
With that lizardy flair, no fight, no fuss, no hurry, no fear, just my iguana don't care. When the day run clear, my iguana don't care, my iguana don't care. If you got a cat or a pussy down there, my iguana don't care, my iguana don't care. He blinks slow at you like he ain't really there. My iguana don't care, it don't really care what stocks you trade or how much Bitcoin you have. My iguana don't care, it just on the branch, cool as a board in a Sunday sunbath. My iguana don't care, my iguana don't care. If you got a keck or a pussy down there, my iguana don't care, my iguana don't care. He blinks slow at you like he ain't really there. My iguana don't care. No need for a flex, no need for a pose, no need for a check. If you got the wrong time, a part in your hair, he give one long stare, then he goes somewhere. My iguana don't care, my iguana don't care. If you got a cat or a pussy down there, my iguana don't care, my iguana sit on the chair. He keep on a chill with that lizardy flair. No fight, no fuss, no hurry, no fear. Just my iguana don't care. When the day run clear, my iguana don't care. My iguana don't care.
Trade Jim.
Or a pussy down there, my iguana don't care. My iguana don't.
After crazy how I managed to make all my monies in the first minute of the 10 a.m. news event, and I rode the bull for 8 seconds. It's the longest 8 seconds of your life. Yeah, normally I am done by now, but I don't have anything going on. I just picked up another 5 Apex accounts to try and pass those. I took my final payouts from 10 of them. So that was that meant that I'm 10 down. So I'm trying to pass 5 of them now. I'm doing them one at a time at the moment because, well, you see what's happening here in the market. Great views. Where is this? This is Costa Rica. Where do you sign up? At the airport or online. Get a plane ticket. Come down and visit me. I can tell some friends. One sec. What are you telling your friends? All right. So what do we have here? Sorry, I get back in this mode. So we're halfway between the -2 and, I'm sorry, -2 down here and -1 deviation band. Bookmap is showing all the bright red lines up above the current price. But I've been lied to by the Bookmap before. So I'm going to wait for, actually what I am going to do is throw up all over myself. No, not all over myself. I'm going to throw up the EMAs here. I'm going to do 3 of them. So the 9 is there. Try that one more time. So 3 of them. Since we are doing a little bit of micro scalping today, this is what I'm going to use. We are obviously very far below VWAP. The developing point of control is sitting at 593.30, and we just went over the 21 EMA on the 3-minute. I'm still not convinced the longs on the 5. So I am going to put in 1 3 micro short, and instantly underwater on that. So I believe it was FN Trades asked, when's the last time I went on tilt? This might be it. 1 single account. Just trying to pass it in a day.
My iguana don't care. He don't really care what stocks you trade or how much Bitcoin you have.
How are you doing your mentorship? I actually don't really do a mentorship. I've had a couple of people ask me to do a mentorship for them. Honestly, just show up for the pre-market. It's free. And then if I ever do set up a mentorship, I'll let you know. If I do, I will be charging for it, just an FYI. And it would probably be geared mostly around risk management. All right, I'm adding another 3 to this. We did fill the wick on the previous candle, but looking to the left at the price, I'm not convinced this is going to go higher quite yet. And also, this is I've only got 9 micros in here right now, so orders are on the book up above the current price, and I'm now up 50 bucks. All right. Oh, you meant with Alex. I haven't started doing a mentorship with Alex, but I would like to. I might actually send him a text message today and see what he's charging for it and get some deets. But if I do decide to do that with Alex, I will definitely keep you updated on how it goes. And Alex is he is a very, very good trader. So he and Zarb. I don't know if you all know teammate Alex and Zarb. Oh, look at that. All right, I'm gonna lock in. What do I have now? 12 micros in this. I just locked in 100 bucks. And I'm putting my take profit down here at the low of the day, just in case it wicks down. So I am about 2/3 of the way into passing this eval now. So if anybody has never traded an Apex account before, you can pass them in one day. Hell, you can pass them in one trade if you got the cojones. I generally don't. All right, I just took 6 off of that.
My iguana don't care. It don't really care what stocks you trade or how much Bitcoin you have. My iguana don't care.
What's his website? You don't know Alex or Zarb. So here's what you do. If you don't know Alex or Zarb, go to Phenomenal. I forgot the name of the website. Brain fart. Sorry. Propfirmmatch.com. They have a YouTube channel. So most people aren't up early enough in the States to see Luna trade at the Asia and London session. But Zarb comes in early, and he does the first half in New York, and Luna does the lunchbox. Or, I'm sorry, teammate does the lunchbox. Now, Zarb he uses a fusion of a bunch of different things. ICT, liquidity pools, VWAP, whole bunch of stuff. And he yesterday, oh, hold on, I'm in profit. I'm gonna lock in. Oh shit. Locking in 50 bucks here. All right, so Zarb uses a combination of a bunch of different things. He is, oh, I just made 50 bucks on that. Like I said, ICT and a little bit of everything. But he's formulated it in a way that really makes sense to him. His trading style, he uses extremely wide stop losses. I've seen this guy pick a direction be 500, actually more than that. One day he was 840 ticks underwater on a short. Held it for the entire day, and it went to his take profit. That is the kind of intestinal fortitude that I do not have. The guy can hold a trade based on statistics and probabilities better than just about anyone I've ever seen. Now, he uses micros. He generally won't trade more than, I believe it's 2 to 3 micros at a time, but he is looking for such a huge movement that those 2 or 3 micros are going to pull in 3 grand in a day, which is on NQ is not unheard of. And he trades MES and NQ, I believe. Now, teammate Alex, a little bit different. He is looking for shorter term trades based off of statistics. And he, during the noon session, uses an indicator that he developed called the lunchbox indicator. And essentially that is VWAP at noon. Actually, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to get rid of, oh, I already did. So anchored VWAP. We're going to anchor this on the noon candle. There we go. So statistically speaking, I'm sorry, I got to change this for 1 second. There. I like my VWAP purple. Okay, so statistically speaking, when you move your VWAP to noon, if it's respecting levels, deviation bands, and VWAP, you're going to have a decent long or short based, like you're trading off the session VWAP. These are for shorter duration trades, though. If you see these last 2 5-minute candles, both of them hit VWAP, hit the deviation band, rejected off both of them. This has been the trend all day. So looking at, yeah, this is a hell of a downtrend. So looking at VWAP from here, the first 15 minutes of VWAP, we all know that it is not very accurate or a very strong indication of where the price is going to go. But after that 15 minutes, you have a 20-minute candle here, hit the deviation band, pulled down to a deviation band, went through it to, I think that'd be the value area low from, yeah, I think that's a value area low from last week or beginning of the week. Came back up, hit VWAP again, came back down, hit that -2 deviations, pushing back up toward VWAP again. I don't want to get into a short in the middle of them. This pushing down off of the 90 MA show me that a short is probably a good idea. I'm going to wait for a couple of minutes if I'm using that, and I'm not an expert on how Alex trades, but I'm not going to get into a short in the middle of VWAP in a negative deviation band. Not when it's right in the center. It can go either way. But what I always say is look to the left. Knowing where you've been can be a very good indication of a projection of where you're going. Looking to the left, since 11:20, it has been, sorry, 11:30, it has been in a downtrend. It is now 145. It's still going. And also it's 145. So the lunchbox, his lunchbox indicator that he actually sells, it's invalid after, I believe, 130. So there's that. I'm horrible at explaining other people's strategies. Sorry. But check them out on Prop Firm Match. Like I said, all three of the guys who stream on there are really good. Zach Arbucci and Luna Trades and teammate Alex. They're all exceptional traders. I don't personally like the way they trade for me, but I really do like watching them trade because they mastered their techniques and their strategies.
No need for a pose, no need for a check. If you got the wrong time, a part in your hair, he give one long stare, then he goes somewhere.
You know what I'm gonna do? Log out of this. Pull up this Apex account here. Which account is it?
Or sit on the chair, he keep on a chill with that lizardy flair. No fight, no fuss, no hurry, no fear. Just my iguana don't care. When the day run clear, my iguana don't care. My iguana don't care. If you got a cat or a pussy down there, my iguana don't care. My iguana don't care.
There we go. Now you'll actually be able to see. Sorry, I had to close that out. I realized all my account numbers show on there, which is why I'm not pulling my cash accounts up on the chart anymore. I don't think anyone can guess my passwords, but I don't really want to risk it. All right, here's the push up to the 21 EMA. Starting to go through it a little bit. Now, 1245 candle got to 548.50. If it can't break that high, gonna take another short. If it does break that high, I'm going to wait and see. We'll check it out. I am still trying to understand what I am comfortable with. How long did it take you to settle into the way you trade? The way I trade currently? About a year, maybe 8 months. All right, we did just push through that 21 EMA. So now I'm looking for a break of this upper noon deviation band. And then a confirmation that it's going to go up above these two candle wicks. Oh, sorry about that. So, and like I always tell people too, I'm not a great trader by any standard. I am pretty damn good at risk management though, so I mean I'll definitely give myself credit for that one. I try and keep my losses as small as possible, so that keeps me in the game. I do the same shit that everybody else does. I blow accounts, repurchase accounts for prop firms. My cash accounts I keep tight because I'm a cheap bastard and I don't like losing money. But for prop firms, as long as I take one payout from them, I've made my money and then some back from them, so my ROI is good on that. I try and take at least 4 payouts from every prop firm I can, because it just increases your ROI. Anything over like 2 or over, your return on investment is absolutely amazing. All right, here's that rejection. I am putting in a 3 micro short. Again, I am going to keep this relatively tight. I got a got my stop loss in here, and we're just going to see what this does. Nope. All right, I may cut this a little bit earlier than my stop loss. It's doing what I thought it was not going to do, and pushed up above that 21 EMA. If it gets up and pushes through that deviation band on the noon VWAP, I'm just going to cut out of it and call it a trade. Call it a loser, but keep it as small as possible. You and your fellow traders are mostly profitable. How can the futures survive your profit taking? On either side of a contract, every contract has 2 sides. It's a buyer and a seller. So it's a zero-sum game. When all is said and done, it is literally a zero-sum game. So, or are you talking about, are you talking about how the prop firms can survive it? Because I can tell you exactly how the prop firms survive it. The prop firms survive because there are, for every profitable trader, there are at least 100 that aren't. And that's just facts. So basically, all of the unprofitable traders who just end up blowing accounts, don't learn how to trade, or they're just beginning and they're blowing accounts. There's that as well. All right, I just added another 3 into this. So there are a lot of people that are learning to trade futures, and this is, using a prop firm is probably one of the smartest things you can do as a beginner, because it minimizes your losses. It minimizes them to the point where if you spend $150 on prop firm accounts, or let's just say 500, you buy 5 end of day trailing drawdown Apex accounts with 0 activation fee. It's going to cost you $490 after a discount. I know this specifically because I just got 5 of them. To trade a single micro on a futures account, and this is very dependent on the broker that you're using. All right, oop, just took 3 on that. Get rid of my I'm gonna lock in another 50 bucks. I'm up 102 right now on the remaining 3. I'm sorry, what was I saying? So if you get those 5 accounts, you trade them one at a time, and say you blow all 5 of them. You spent 490 bucks on some education. As long as you're not just clicking buttons willy-nilly and acting like a degenerate, you consider it a cost of learning. If you were to do that same thing in a cash account, you would blow that account in about a nanosecond. Lock in a couple more bucks here. If it pushes down through that 9 EMA, I'm going to add to it. $138 here. Yeah, if you guys go over to Prop Firm Match, tell Alex I said hello. He's a real good guy. So those prop firm accounts, if you were to use your a cash account, you would lose a lot of money very, very quickly. Those cash accounts, if you don't know how to trade, don't open up a brokerage account. All right, I made $73 on that, I believe. Yeah, 73. So we are coming back up on this 21 EMA. We have lower lows. We do have a higher low here on the 5. So just consolidating a little bit down here. I'm not all that concerned about it. I'm not staying in trades for any length of time. I do want to wait until this 5-minute candle closes before I take another trade though. Is it still lagging there? Those prop firms, they make a lot of money on people who can't trade or are just learning to trade.
My iguana don't care. No need for a flex.
Again, we have that deviation band sitting here just above the 50 EMA. Anybody want to see anything on this chart? Excuse me. I'm putting my short in right now. Let's not put in a different size stop. Wow, I'm glad I put a stop loss in there. And I'm glad I only used 1 micro. Minimal loss. It was worth a risk. See, this is the one complaint about tight stop losses. I'd be in profit now. All right, pushing down below that EMA.
I live in Costa Rica because that's where I'm settled. I like it in the heat and I can't find nothing better. I live with a guy named Nick and I don't know where I met him. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get him. If they fucking with nature and I ain't gonna let them. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get him. What I'm gonna do, you think I'm gonna tell him? It's just that. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get him. You wanna see me move, you wanna see me kick it. You wanna see me go tail and I'm looking pretty wicked. You wanna see me move, you wanna see me kick it. Whoa, 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 whoa. 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 Whoa, 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 whoa.
And push down. There we go. So this will be profitable in a couple seconds. Or I'm going to cut it. I live in Costa Rica because that's where I'm settled. I like it in the heat and I can't find nothing better. I live with a guy named Nick and I don't know where I met him. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get him. If they fucking with nature and I ain't gonna let them. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get him. What I'm gonna do, you think I'm gonna tell him? It's just that. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get him. You wanna see me move, you wanna see me kick it. You wanna see me go tail and I'm looking I'm appreciating you talking through your thinking as you're trading. Yeah, if you want to know my thought processes, you usually go like this. Bleh. All right, so no matter what, I got costs and commissions covered here. No, I didn't, because that was not sized right. I still think this is going down, so I'm going to leave it in. I am not risking anything over a third of the profits that I've made today.
I live in Costa Rica because that's where I'm settled. I like it in the heat and I can find nothing better. I live with a guy named Mick and I don't know where
Maybe a break-even trade. I'm willing to leave this little bit of risk on here, though. And by a little bit of risk, I mean leaving money on the table. If I don't pass this today, it's not the end of the world. I think in total I made like 50 bucks on that trade. It's 50 bucks I didn't have 10 minutes ago. Actually, it's not even that. It's nothing. You're oyster. I'm afraid to get started, but I've been watching you and the butcher for several months now, and I'm just about ready to start trading. I'm hoping to win a free account in Duck Race so I can start for free. Sign up for them. Green for today? Yes. I did take a couple of big losses on 20 accounts. I lost 215.72, so I lost 4 grand there. Made 700 on 10 accounts, so made 7K there. Those were all funded and cash. I made 51 on another group of 20 and 315 on another group of 20. So yeah, I'm green for the day. I did take that $215 loss on those funded accounts, so that was a kick in the teeth, but it'll work. Yeah, Mr. Stewart, have you been trading paper? Oh, sorry, I forgot to tell you. I just took another, oh, shit. Took another short here. At 9 micros in this. I'm gonna risk 156 on this one.
Lately I've been thinking about iguana Armageddon. You wanna see me move, you wanna see me kick it,
Or thereabouts.
see me cone tail and I'm looking pretty wicked. You wanna see me move, you wanna see me kick it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
That is not where I wanted my stop loss. I wanted it right about there.
Lately I've been thinking about iguana Armageddon. Lately I've been thinking about iguana Armageddon. Iguana Armageddon. Iguana Armageddon. Lately I've been thinking about iguana Armageddon. Lately I've been thinking about iguana Armageddon. Iguana Armageddon. Iguana Armageddon. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
All right, guys, do I risk it and add into this, thinking it's going to come back down? I think I do. No matter what, I'm not letting myself bring this count into the red today, so big ass hawk just flew by me.
I live in Costa Rica because that's where I'm settled. I like it in the heat and I can't find nothing better. I live with a guy named Nick and I don't know where I met him. Lately I've
15 micros in here.
been get 'em if they fucking with nature and I ain't gonna let 'em. Lately I've been thinking about iguana Armageddon. What I'm gonna do, you think I'm gonna tell 'em? It's just that. Lately I've been thinking about iguana Armageddon. You wanna see me move, you wanna see me kick it.
Oh, NQ is starting to mess with me a little bit here now. Came back to my entry.
You wanna see me move, you wanna see me kick it. Whoa, 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 whoa. 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 Lately I've been thinking about iguana Armageddon. Lately I've been thinking about iguana Armageddon. Iguana Armageddon. Iguana Armageddon. Lately I've been thinking about iguana Armageddon. Lately I've been thinking about iguana Armageddon. Iguana Armageddon. Iguana
Took a little bit off that. Only in with 12 now. So if it pulls back, I put in a 3-contract buy. So if it does pull back anymore, I'm going to take a little bit of profit on that, let it continue to go down with the remaining contracts. So I still have 9 in there.
I live in Costa Rica because that's where I'm settled. I like it in the heat and I can't find nothing better.
But I don't want to choke this one out now. Looking at the time of day and looking at the price starting to move down below those previous candles, thinking this may come down a little bit further. Actually, I am going to trail it down slowly. I think I'm up 400 bucks or something now. Maybe 300, somewhere around there. And I'm out. Take whatever that was. I don't have my P&L up on the chart that I was looking at, so no, I'm just watching Nick and Dave since March. hoping to gain enough knowledge to start green and stay mostly green. Both of these guys are excellent traders, despite their... Yeah, well, the one thing I will say, Mr. Stewart, is until you start actually doing it, it's a whole different beast. Learning the theory, learning the entry and exit signals, things like that, and actually executing them. So if you really do want an advantage, get a paper account. Just trust me on this one. Get that paper account, get it set up. I mean, I'm sure Dave knows how to set one up. He can help you with it if you haven't already. If you're watching on TradingView, there's a free account on TradingView. It is a 15-minute delay, but if you're trading paper and you're getting used to entering and exiting your trades, it will make a big difference in your overall execution. Putting in another short right now. Traded paper for a bit and then tried an eval and failed. Then went back to paper. It has been really helpful getting in the reps. 10,000 hours. Before you should call yourself a professional, you need 10,000 hours in anything. Scalping does require a lot of practice. Swing trading, not so much. I mean, there's things to be said for swing trading and the difficulties of it, especially now when a ridiculous tweak can move the market 500 points in a very short amount of time. All right, so I don't know if you noticed, but I've been adding to this trade. Looking at the price action, just bouncing around between these prices, I'm okay with adding into it. I've got my finger on the sell button. So if it does go against me, like I said, I'm not going to lose all my profits. I won't even lose a third of them. And I'm in this with 18 micros at the moment. See you later, Mr. Stewart. All right, 150 bucks. Roy, read Anna Cooling book on volume price analysis. All right. Oh, I hope he got that before he left. Oh shit. I passed that account 2 trades ago. Okay, so I'm moving on to the next one. Don't do what I do, people. Seriously. Okay. What's the number on this next account? Oh no! I stopped sharing my screen. There we go. Always shorting in a downtrend. I don't know any other way to be, Wayne. Why, you have something you want to share? Share with the class. Actually, right now, I'm keeping it a lot tighter. I'm not just going in for shorts. We have been, we just created two, two higher lows. So I did just pass that one apex eval. I got 4 more to go. I don't know if I'm doing them today, but see if that shows up on the chart. All right, it does. You guys can see the trades I'm in now, right? See what I did there? Took a little bit off it.
I live in Costa Rica because that's where I'm settled. I like it in the heat and I can't find nothing better. I live with a guy named Nick and I don't know where I met him. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get him. If they fucking with nature and I ain't gonna let them. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get him. What I'm gonna do, you think I'm gonna tell him? It's just that. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get him. You wanna see me move, you wanna see me kick it. You wanna see me cold tail and I'm looking pretty wicked. You wanna see me move, you wanna see me kick it. Whoa, 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 whoa. 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 Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get 'em.
Wayne, you're speaking Greek to me here. I don't even know what you're talking about. You could use CCI 5 level 100 to spot potential pull-ups. Only pull-ups I know are the diapers that the president wears. I'm sorry, those are big people huggies. No, depends. Something like that.
I live in Costa Rica because that's where I'm settled. I like it in the heat and I can't find nothing better. I live with a guy named Nick and I don't know where I met him. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get him. If they fucking with nature and I ain't gonna let them. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get him. What I'm gonna do.
Where is the market butcher at? That is the question. I don't know.
Lately I've been thinking about iguana,
Not sure.
you wanna see me move, you wanna see me kick it, you wanna see me comb tail and I'm looking pretty wicked. You wanna see me move, you wanna see me kick it, whoa, 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 whoa. 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 Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Okay, it was down 700. Now I'm only down 400.
Thinking about iguana, I'ma get 'em. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get 'em. Iguana, I'ma get 'em. Iguana, I'ma lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get 'em. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get 'em. Iguana, I'ma get 'em. Iguana, I'ma get 'em. Whoa, 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 whoa. 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 I live in Costa Rica because that's where I'm settled. I like it in the heat and I can't find nothing.
So I got 30 micros in this trade right now. And I'm going to let it go for a little while. I'll be back.
You wanna see me move, you wanna see me kick it, you wanna see me comb tail and I'm looking pretty wicked. You wanna see me move, you wanna see me kick it, whoa, 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 whoa. 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 Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get 'em. Lately I've Rica because that's where I'm settled. I like it in the heat and I can't find nothing better. I live with a guy named Mick and I don't know where I met him. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get him. If they fucking with nature and I ain't gonna let them. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get him. What I'm gonna do, you think I'm gonna tell him? It's just that. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get him. You wanna see me move, you wanna see me kick it, you wanna see me comb tail and I'm looking pretty wicked. You wanna see me move, you wanna see me kick it. Whoa, 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 whoa. 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 Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get 'em. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get 'em. I'ma get 'em. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get 'em. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get 'em. I'ma get 'em. I'ma get 'em. Whoa, 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 whoa. 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 I live in Costa Rica because that's where I'm settled. I like it in the heat and I can't find nothing better. I live with a guy named Mick and I don't know where I met him. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get him. If they fucking with nature and I ain't gonna let them. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get him. What I'm gonna do, you think I'm gonna tell him? It's just that. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get him. You wanna see me move, you wanna see me kick it, you wanna see me comb tail and I'm looking pretty wicked. You wanna see me move, you wanna see me kick it. Whoa, 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 whoa. 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 Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get 'em. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get 'em. I'ma get 'em. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get 'em. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get 'em. I'ma get 'em. I'ma get 'em. Whoa, 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 whoa. 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 Whoa, 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 whoa.
And I'm back. Hit my daily loss limit on that one. All right. Past one, hit a daily loss on another one.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. I live in Costa Rica because that's where I'm settled. I like it in the heat and I can't find nothing better.
This is my version of going on tilt.
Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get 'em. If they fucking with nature and I ain't gonna let 'em. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get 'em. What I'm gonna do, you think I'm gonna tell 'em? It's just that. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get 'em. You wanna see me move, you wanna see me kick it, you wanna see me comb tail and I'm looking pretty wicked. You wanna see me move, you wanna see me kick it. Whoa, 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 whoa. 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 Whoa, 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 whoa.
We'll play this one a little bit differently.
Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get 'em. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get 'em. Iguana, I'ma get 'em. Iguana, I'ma. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get 'em. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get 'em. Iguana, I'ma get 'em. Iguana, I'ma get 'em. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah, this is definitely trading range time.
I live in Costa Rica because that's where I'm settled. I like it in the heat and I can't find nothing better. I live with a guy named Nick and I don't know where I met him. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get him. If they fucking with nature and I ain't gonna let them. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get him. What I'm gonna do, you think I'm gonna tell him? It's just that. Lately I've been thinking about iguana, I'ma get him. You wanna see me move, you wanna see me kick it, wanna see me kick it. You wanna see me go tail and I'm looking pretty wicked. You wanna see me move, you wanna see me kick it, wanna see me kick it. Whoa, 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 whoa. 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 Whoa, 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 whoa.
Up a couple hundred in this one so far. I'm not expecting to be in profit for very long. I am expecting that, or in this much profit for very long. I am expecting it to pull back again. And I'm going to add to it when it does. Added another 5 contracts to this. Now, I'm not expecting a reversal long. It is the end of the month. Option expirations are happening. It's been in a continuous downtrend, and looking to the left. This is, I mean, this is a cliff. I am not expecting this price to come all the way down to where I have my buy limit. I'm expecting it to bounce around between this level and this level. And I'm going to take advantage and buy it as high as possible and hopefully close them with the 3,000 in profit it takes to pass this test. And when I say I'm going on tilt here, I'm really not going on tilt. This is a I actually know what I'm doing, and I'm not really emotional about it. I'm not trying to make back any money that I've lost. I'm not trying to get a payout. This is an eval, and a cheap one at that. So I'm going to wait for this candle that just turned green. All right, just added another 5. And now let's see if it comes back down like I think it's going to. So I'm in with 20 micros. I got my take profits at the low of day. Down 75 bucks. Now, if this does reverse on me and it launches up and I blow this account, Like I said, it's an eval, and I am not even a little bit concerned about it. Hey Wayne, you have a good weekend? I think I'm up about 500 on this now. Now, I wish I could do this on cash accounts, but I can't. I get way too nervous. I get real edgy about losing money that quickly. As soon as I see that I'm down 500 bucks or 600 bucks, my butthole puckers up so tight. If I fart, it would come out a whistle. So far, this is a so far it's a profitable trade. Oh, it's the weekend coming up. I don't have to do this shit for another couple days. You know what? I'll play that song.
Trouble won't bloom. He moved like he know the route, but he keep that whole thing out. No rush, no flex, no show, no stunt. Just one more round, then he's gone up front. Does he ever stop the freaking, or is he always sneaking? I see that look when the lights go dim, like he got a whole other life within. What Nick do on the weekend? What Nick do on the weekend? He keep it calm, but I can feel it. He keep it calm, but I can read it. What Nick do on the weekend? What Nick do on the weekend? What Nick do? What Nick do? Somebody tell me what he do. He on the stream looking so serene, like he ain't never seen a scene. One hand up, one hand clean, smiling soft like a church machine. Ooh, does he ever stop the freaking, or just switch up when we peeking? He talk low, then the room goes loud. Got that whole damn place spellbound. Maybe he out in the evening there. Maybe he got 10 plans there. Maybe he just keep it tucked away till the weekend gets it saved. Does he ever stop the freaking, or is he always
The iguanas over here climbing up the trees.
Oh Lord, that smile is a curtain, and the truth feel half buried. When the bass drop, he don't flinch at all, like he already heard that call.
All right, I'm taking my 720, and I'm gonna wait now. Watch, this is just gonna launch down.
But I can feel it, he keep it calm, but I can read it. What Nick do on the weekend? What Nick do on the weekend? What Nick do? What Nick do? Somebody tell me what he do. What Nick do on the weekend? Boots on, been locked in. Came in hot, then it cooled right down. Shame come facing a loud, loud crowd. What Nick do on the weekend?
I will be right back.
Costa Rican. Cards on the table, talk in the room. Everybody laughing like trouble won't bloom. He moved like he know the route, but he keep that whole thing out. No rush, no flex, no show, no stunt. Just one more round, then he's gone up front. Does he ever stop the freaking, or is he always sneaking? I see that look when the lights go dim, like he got a whole other life within. What Nick do on the weekend? What Nick do on the weekend? He keep it calm, but I can feel it. He keep it calm, but I can read it. What Nick do on the weekend? What Nick do on the weekend? What Nick do? What Nick do? Somebody tell me what he do. He on the stream looking so serene, like he ain't never seen a scene. One hand up, one hand clean, smiling soft like a church machine. Ooh, does he ever stop the freaking, or just switch up when we're peeking? He talk low, then the room goes loud. Got that whole damn place spellbound. Maybe he out in the evening there. Maybe he got 10 plans there. Maybe he just keep it tucked away till the weekend gets it saved. Does he ever stop the freaking, or is he always sneaking? I see that look when the lights go dim, like he got a whole other life within. What Nick do on the weekend? What Nick do on the weekend? He keep it calm, but I can feel it. He keep it calm, but I can read it. What Nick do on the weekend? What Nick do on the weekend? What Nick do? What Nick do? Somebody tell me what he do. Oh Lord, that smile is a curtain, and the truth feel half buried. When the bass drop, he don't flinch at all, like he already heard that call. Woo! What Nick do on the weekend? What Nick do on the weekend? He keep it calm, but I can feel it. He keep it calm, but I can read it. What Nick do on the weekend? What Nick do on the weekend? What Nick do? What Nick do? Somebody tell me what he do. trouble won't bloom. He move like he know the route, but he keep that whole thing out. No rush, no flex, no show, no stunt. Just one more round, then he's gone up front. Does he ever stop the freaking, or is he always sneaking? I see that look when the lights go dim, like he got a whole other life within. What Nick do on the weekend? What Nick do on the weekend? You keep it calm, but I can feel it. You keep it calm, but I can read it. What Nick do on the weekend? What Nick do on the weekend? What Nick do? What Nick do? Somebody tell me what he do. He on the stream looking so serene, like he ain't never seen a scene. One hand up, one hand clean, smiling soft like a church machine. Ooh. Does he ever stop the freaking, or just switch up when we're peaking? He talk low, then the room goes loud. Got that whole damn place spellbound. Maybe he out in the evening there. Maybe he got 10 plans there. Maybe he just keep it tucked away till the weekend gets it saved. Does he ever stop the freaking, or is he always sneaking? I see that look when the lights go dim, like he got a whole other life within. What Nick do on the weekend? What Nick do on the weekend? He keep it calm, but I can feel it. He keep it calm, but I can read it. What Nick do on the weekend? What Nick do on the weekend? What Nick do? What Nick do? Somebody tell me what he do. Oh Lord, that smile is a curtain, and the truth feel half buried. When the bass drop, he don't flinch at all, like he already heard that call. Woo! What Nick do on the weekend? What Nick do on the weekend? He keep it calm, but I can feel it. He keep it calm, but I can read it. What Nick do on the weekend? What Nick do on the weekend? What Nick do? What Nick do? Somebody tell me what he do. What Nick do on the weekend? Boots on, been locked in. Came in hot, then he cooled right down. Same calm face in a loud, loud crowd. What Nick do on the weekend? With all them Costa Ricans. Cards on the table, talk in the room. Everybody laughing like trouble won't bloom. He move like he know the route, but he keep that whole thing out. No rush, no flex, no show, no stunt. Just one more round, then he's gone up front. Does he ever stop the freaking, or is he always sneaking? I see that look when the lights go dim, like he got a whole other life within. What Nick do on the weekend? What Nick do on the weekend? You keep it calm, but I can feel it. You keep it calm, but I can read it. What Nick do on the weekend? What Nick do on the weekend? What Nick do? What Nick do? Somebody tell me what he do. He on the stream looking so serene, like he ain't never seen a scene. One hand up, one hand clean, smiling soft like a church machine. Ooh. Does he ever stop the freaking, or just switch up when we're peaking? He talk low, then the room goes loud. Got that whole damn place spellbound. Maybe he out in the evening there. Maybe he got 10 plans there. Maybe he just keep it tucked away till the weekend gets it saved. Does he ever stop the free? then wouldn't it do on the weekend? Wouldn't it do on the weekend? You keep it calm, but I can feel it. You keep it calm, but I can read it. Wouldn't it do on the weekend? Wouldn't it do on the weekend? Wouldn't it do? Wouldn't it do? Somebody tell me what he do. Oh Lord, that smile is a curtain, and the truth feel half buried. When the bass drop, he don't flinch at all, like he already heard that call. Woo! Wouldn't it do on the weekend? Wouldn't it do on the weekend? You keep it calm, but I can feel it. You keep it calm, but I can read it. Wouldn't it do on the weekend? Wouldn't it do on the weekend? Wouldn't it do? Wouldn't it do? Somebody tell me what he do. Wouldn't it do on the weekend? Boots on, been locked in. Came in hot, then it cooled right down. Same calm face in a loud, loud crowd. Wouldn't it do on the weekend? With all them Costa Ricans. Cards on the table, talk in the room. Everybody laughing like trouble won't bloom. He moved like he know the route, but he keep that whole thing out. No rush, no flex, no show, no stunt. Just one more round, then he's gone up front. Does he ever stop the freaking, or is he always sneaking? I see that look when the lights go dim, like he got a whole other life within. Wouldn't it do on the weekend? Wouldn't it do on the weekend? You keep it calm, but I can feel it. You keep it calm, but I can read it. Wouldn't it do on the weekend? Wouldn't it do on the weekend? Wouldn't it do? Wouldn't it do? Somebody tell me what he do. He on the stream looking so serene, like he ain't never seen a scene. One hand up, one hand clean, smiling soft like a church machine. Ooh, does he ever stop the freaking, or just switch up when we're peeking? He talk low, then the room goes loud. Got that whole damn place spellbound. Maybe he out in the evening there. Maybe he got 10 plans there. Maybe he just keep it tucked away till the weekend gets it saved. Does he ever stop the freaking, or is he always sneaking? I see that look when the lights go dim, like he got a whole other life within. Wouldn't it do on the weekend? Wouldn't it do on the weekend? You keep it calm, but I can feel it. You keep it calm, but I can read it. Wouldn't it do on the weekend? Wouldn't it do on the weekend? Wouldn't it do? Wouldn't it do? Somebody tell me what he do. Oh Lord, that smile is a curtain, and the truth feel half buried. When the bass drop, he don't flinch at all, like he already heard that call. Woo! Wouldn't it do on the weekend? Wouldn't it do on the weekend? You keep it calm, but I can feel it. You keep it calm, but I can read it. Wouldn't it do on the weekend? Wouldn't it do on the weekend? Wouldn't it do? Wouldn't it do? Somebody tell me what he do. the table, talk in the room. Everybody laughing like trouble won't bloom. He moved like he know the route, but he keep